I found the bolts. That's my impeller. And the new pulley, the new belt needs to go on here and here, but first I need to take off the alternator belt, which we just put on yesterday. So, all right, so I got that off, and I'm gonna take a break for a little bit because that took me about 30 minutes, and it was really frustrating because the tolerances for this, getting this in it, just absolutely impossibly small. And the worst part is, it's an aftermarket piece designed to give more protection to the belt. There's this like giant heavy cowl over it, but it's, I don't know what it's really protecting, and it's made like what should be not a simple job, but a tolerably easy job into like a fucking impossible job. So I am going to give my hands a break for a second, and then I'm going to go start work on taking off the brand new alternator belt that we just put on yesterday, because this is the first time I've done this, and I did not realize that the impeller pump had a separate belt on it, and that one was also shredded. So I have my Yanmar belt that's going to go down on that pulley, and my brand new serpentine belt that took us hours to take off, or hours to put on to figure that out. I have to take it back off again, but I am going to get this done because we are going to go sailing this weekend. I want to go sailing this weekend, and I'm not going to quit until I get there.